Hey, so I wanted to show you how it works visually, right? And this is only going to take just 1 minute. If you click legal consultation mode, you can now select multiple regions where we've integrated to case law, legislation, etc. Whether you're doing the UK, you're looking at the US, SEC and exchanges, Hong Kong, China, Singapore, or Malaysia. For this one, let me just show you Malaysia. So once you are looking at something to research, you need to formulate a question. Rather than just not giving it context, make sure you're trying to give it a little bit of context. So in my example, I'm going to say, what are the latest decisions in court where arbitration awards have been set aside? Now, the AI is just going to take a moment to contextualize that question for itself, kind of understand what the legal key points from our demand is, and come up with some major and minor conditions for this particular question. So as you can see, it's come up with multiple different labels that it's going to now search our database, and a major condition from every single case it's looking at. Now it's found 9,000 cases from those legal labels, and now it's checking the major condition on all of those cases. As you can see, that's happened pretty darn quickly. It's now broken it down to 50 potential cases that it's going to summarize to give us our final answer. And it will break it down even further. So far, we've been only working on this question for 45 seconds. It's got 12 related answers. It's now also going to have a look online to see if there's anything that's been posted publicly about this as well. So it's not just leveraging the legal database, it's looking at publications. We're now a minute into this particular research project, and it's now formulating its answer. So it's come up with several cases already that we may want to look at. You can see the answers listed here. The court set aside the final word due to issues of jurisdiction and procedural fairness. Another one was due to an invalid appointment of the second arbitrator, etc. Now, if we wanted more or wanted to read them, you can open them here, and you can also click See More Relevant Cases, where it will give you multiple cases that it thinks are relevant, and then you can just open them as you wish. And it's also come up with a few follow-up questions that you may want to try. So this is a 3-minute video where I've done a pretty hefty research in such a short span of time. I really can't wait to demo this with questions that you might have. See you soon.